This is gonna blow your mind. Building a PC is easier than you think. First, gather your parts. Motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, power supply, and a case. Start with the motherboard. Carefully place the CPU into the socket, align those tiny triangles. Next, snap in your RAM sticks, listen for the click. Install your storage drive, SSD or HDD, your choice. Secure the motherboard in the case. Connect the power supply, don't forget the CPU power cable. Attach the case fans for cooling. Finally, plug in your GPU if you have one. Close up the case and connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Power on and install your OS. Congrats, you just built your first PC. Happy gaming!